This public service announcement is part of the NCS Value in Prevention Summer Camp, presented in part by our friends at Fairfax County Public Schools.
Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'd like to get real with you about something that's very important. If you're using alcohol or thinking about starting, I'd like you to think about these facts. Beer, wine, and hard liquor all contain alcohol. It's just the amount of alcohol that makes the products different. But the effects on the body and the mind are the same. The amount of alcohol in an average 12-ounce beer is equal to a 5-ounce glass of wine, which is equal to 1.5 ounces of hard alcohol, or 1 shot. So what are some of the effects of alcohol use? It can cause blurred vision, loss of concentration and coordination. It can bring about slurred speech, brownouts, blackouts, and even death or coma. Long-term effects can include addiction, major organ failure, disease, and of course, there is always the financial strain of dealing with all of these ramifications. So regarding alcohol use, think before you start. And if you've started, start thinking about stopping.